Good morning, guys. This is a quick morning review. We are with the Euro USD and let's get right into it. So last night we was around this price right here, and like how I was explaining to you guys, right now we are at a 15-minute chart, and how I was explaining to you guys, if the Euro last night doesn't break this point right here, it's going to continue going up. So later on it was around this price, and I was telling you guys don't get in until the price retouch. We have this consolidation around this, above this price right here. This is a Fibonacci retracement, and like I said, if you definitely go into the market, you got to go around this price and put your stop loss right here. So the market run overnight all the way up, and then you can see the change of the acceleration of the price. The price went straight up, and then this morning went down. From this bottom right here to here is around 70 pip. If you was earlier right here, that was a perfect move. From here, stop loss down here. If you was in this consolidation, your stop loss will be down here or here. So as of right now, this formation that I wanted to show you guys in 15 minutes, this is a head and shoulder formation. It's for the change of the direction. So maybe the stop loss should be around this point right here. You have the ABC correction right here, stop loss right here. Market went down, up. You can see the two shoulders and the head right here. This formation is a head and shoulder formation, so the market should be going in the opposite direction. So we can see right here that we have the Fibonacci retracement right here. That's a 78% of the prior run, and we have the trend line going up this way. So if you put the hourly chart, you can see it more. So we have this trend line and this one with this acceleration. It was around between 40 and 45 degree price and time, and very good condition. You can already see this bar, which is inverted hammer. So the price is starting to show that it's going to go down. It's a great opportunity to put the sell right there. So we saw the market right there. Now you can see we got 100. Our unit 226, that's the margin that we're going to use. So sell the position right there. We're selling the euro, so we're going to make money if the euro go from this point all the way down. So the stop loss right here, so we drag the stop loss, put it right there. So that's the risk that we have in that many unit. So we're risking 320. We're going to modify that soon, and now we moving the stop loss. The stop loss can be anywhere between the trend line or the Fibonacci. For this, I'm going to put it right there on the Fibonacci. So now that is my order. So that's in an hourly chart. So I go down to 15 minutes, and I see that I have my stop loss right there, and I'm going to bring it after this bar break this low. I break down my stop loss to that high right there. You see, I'm already starting to reduce my initial risk. So right now I'm risking 214 to make 594. So we just have to wait. If the market go against us and hit us and kick out of the market, you should know put yourself in again. You have to let it run and wait for the next setup. Okay, that's all we have with the euro. Now I want to compare this formation, which is a head and shoulder formation. We go to the US dollar index, and we have the same formation on the bottom. So you can see this one is in the opposite side, it's at the end of the run. So we go and see this in an hourly chart, and you can see the inverted hammer. So it looked like the US dollar is going to start to run up. It's getting ready for that, or it's going to go in this range right here. So if we see it in 2-minute chart, you already see that this dollar index is starting to go up. In 15 minutes, we have the head and shoulder and the opposite side. It's an inverted head and shoulder. So that is kind of a confirmation that this run of the US dollar can start to the upside, and that's why the euro is starting to get in the opposite formation to the downside. So it's kind of the confirmation. So that soon the euro break down this low, I'm going to bring my stop loss on top of my order, and then I risk free, no worries at all. So the next view the next company that we're going to check is a Quantum. So we have the QBTS doing very good. Right now you see how the price is around here. So in the daily chart, we see the price still way above. But like I telling you guys yesterday, it's going to come like a little retracement or a pullback to this area, probably come down to retest this area. You can hold the price or you can just sell it and buy it again when the market come down. How you can see the market went to the Fibonacci and then do a double top right here. This is 15-minute chart and starting to do his pullback. So you have to pay attention. Normally when you have a gap open like that, the markets come down to close that gap and from there rebound again. So RGTI almost do the same thing, it's going sideways. You can see in the daily, we still have a nice consolidation right here. So probably it's going to run up. So you have to pay attention to this stock. If you are in the stock, starting to bring up your stop loss down here and wait for see the market what's going to do. If your entry was down here and your stop loss is up, you save, you already got some money in your way. QUBT is doing very good. It's way above the 200 and 100-day exponential moving average. When it's coming to the Fibonacci, we are consolidating above the 38%. The next level that we have right here is 50%. We need to break this 50%. Remember this percentage coming from this way up when this company is starting to run up. But we are in very good shape, so the market should continue going up. So the next one is IONQ, one of my favorites. They is still coming up very nicely. Like I explained to you guys in another chart, it's like a 45-degree. We can see it right here. Let me just go and see where we are. So we can see how much degree we are rolling up. Yeah, we are about 40. So we are still a good level. Between 40 and 45, we're good. This is 39.7, we're good. This angle just showing you that the price and the time is very related right there. So we're good. You don't want to see the price all the way right here, like it's almost 90-degree. You don't want that because that meaning that is too much acceleration. So the price is way above the time and the price is going, the market definitely want to do things like that, ending like coming down to try to balance price and time. So the Quantum doing very good, guys. This four company, IONQ, QBTS, QUBT, and RGTI, they are very good company, and you're going to see a lot running up this company. This is a very advanced technology. This is the future. You should be in. Always listen, do your own research, and don't risk your money if you don't know what you're doing, okay? This is just an advice. I want you guys to learn about this. We have also QSI. This is a new company too, starting to do a nice run. You can see the consolidation above the 200-day exponential moving average. We have like a light ABC double bottom down here. So it could starting to run. We don't have that confirmation yet, but it's starting to look good. It's above the 200-day exponential moving average. It's getting above the 100-day exponential moving average. When you see these three lines, the 50 right here, the blue, which is the 100 down, and then the red down, they are completely organized like that. The market is starting to run very nicely, okay? The last earning was good, so you can see that the company is starting to getting like a nice setup to starting to run. So you can keep that company in mind too. Okay, now let's go and check Tesla. Okay, so Tesla went to the second resistance, which is a 61.8. It break the 50, which is a very important resistance. Now it's above the 100-day exponential moving average and touch the 61% Fibonacci retracement. and rejecting from there, but the price don't went crazy down, stay above there and starting to consolidate. That's a good indication that the company is going to continue going up. So just pay attention. If you are from here, like I was telling you guys a week earlier, you should move your stop loss around this price right here and wait to see what the market going to do. If you want to tie your profit, just bring your stop loss here. If the company continue going up, perfect. If it break you and kick you out of the market, just wait to the next setup. Well, this is all what I got for you guys this morning, and see you in the next video.